Vitamin A is one of the most prominent vitamins that maintain the health of the cornea of the eye, responsible for clear vision, and light-sensitive eye cells, which are known as photoreceptors, in addition to being a component of rhodopsin, a protein found in the eyes that allows a person to see in low light. So foods rich in vitamin A can reduce the risk of many problems affecting the eye, including loss of vision, night up or dry, including the body's need for vitamin A can be obtained from a number of food sources, the most important of which are the liver, egg yolks, dairy products, some fruits and vegetables, including sweet potatoes, cabbage, spinach, carrots, mango, sweet red pepper. Vitamin C is classified as an antioxidant, which plays an important role in maintaining eye health, protecting it from harmful free radicals, reducing the likelihood of developing a number of eye problems, including cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, along with the manufacture of collagen, a protein that provides the basic structure of the cornea and sclera of the eye. Foods rich in vitamin C include the following: citrus and tropical fruits, sweet pepper, broccoli, turnip, guava. As with vitamin C, vitamin E is an antioxidant. It can prevent free radicals from breaking down important fatty acids in the retina and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Some foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, broccoli, kiwi, mango. Known as niacin, vitamin B3 is an antioxidant that may play an important role in the prevention of glaucoma, a health condition that affects the eye and causes damage to the optic nerve. And from its nutritional sources: beef meat, poultry, fish, mushrooms, peanuts, legumes. Vitamin B2. It is also known as riboflavin. It is an antioxidant that can reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, thereby protecting them from a number of problems, including cataracts, and from its common sources: oatmeal, milk, dairy products, beef meat, fortified cereals. Vitamin bone. Vitamin bone, or what is known as thiamine, may contribute to reducing the risk of developing cataracts, and it can also be used as a treatment option in the early stages of diabetic retinopathy. And its nutritional sources include the following: whole grains, meat, fish, some fortified foods including breakfast cereals, bread, pastilles, bread. Vitamins B6, B9, B12. A combination of vitamins B6, B9, B12 can help reduce levels of homocysteine, one of the proteins contained in the body, which may be associated with a higher risk of inflammation and age-related macular degeneration. Sources of vitamins B6, B9, B12 include: sources of vitamin B6 or pyridoxine are poultry, fish, meat, potatoes, fruits except citrus fruits. Sources of vitamin B9 or folic acid: beef liver, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, fruits and their juices such as oranges, nuts, peanuts, beans. Sources of vitamin B12 or cobalamin. Other important nutrients for eye health besides vitamins. There are many nutrients including minerals, fatty acids, and plant compounds that may be effective in maintaining eye health, including lutein and zeaxanthin. Both belong to carotenoids, which are antioxidants that may reduce oxidative stress in the retina, which can prevent the risk of age-related macular degeneration and glaucoma. Sources of lutein and zeaxanthin include egg yolks, corn, asparagus, broccoli, lettuce, peas, cabbage, spinach. Zinc helps maintain the health of the retina, cell membranes, proteins in the eye, and it also allows vitamin A to move from the liver to the retina to produce the pigment melanin, which in turn protects the eyes from ultraviolet radiation. In addition, zinc supplements may help people with age-related macular degeneration reduce the progression of the condition and the risk of loss of visual acuity. Sources of zinc include seafood, including oysters, crabs. The omega-3 fatty acids that the retina contains in a high percentage play a fundamental role in protecting it from damage and corrosion, treating dry eyes, and can also slow down age-related deterioration of the retina. Although more studies are needed to confirm this, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids include oily fish, including sardines, tuna, herring, salmon, flax seeds, the eye of a cat.